It's almost midnight and you are watching day 2 of AI Breakthrough series. Imagine typing just by thinking or drawing just from your imagination. Meta's Brain2QWERTY V2 model is a breakthrough for brain to text systems using brain recordings from 9 people. It decodes magnetic brain signals non-invasively, that is, without doing any brain surgery, and predicts whole words and intentions of a person with up to 78% accuracy. Meta has open sourced this, inviting researchers to build on top of this. This tech can restore communication for patients and people who cannot speak by turning their thoughts into words. But this raises a serious ethical question, because let's say if anyone can do mind reading, then that is really scary. But at the same time, this brings incredible opportunities for building on top of this brain to computer interface. And this really blends neuroscience with AI. What are you going to build on top of this? Let me know and share your thoughts through comments.